All right, back out in the kayak today. I already got my line in here. I got a frozen squid on this guy right now. We went straight to fishing. I didn't even do any bait fishing. Anytime you're using squid, in my experience, the fresher the better. So the box, you know, store-bought squid is basically a last resort for me. If I have any squid in the freezer that I've caught personally, then I'll use that before I have to buy any squid. But anyways, I got one rod in here. I'm gonna set up my other rod and get that down as well. As we're halibut fishing today, at least to start. If halibut doesn't go so well, maybe I'll try for some lingcod later on. But anyways, I'm out here with there's a bunch of kayakers out here. I guess it's because it's a Friday morning. Maybe more people have work off on Fridays. I don't normally fish on the weekend, so I'm not really used to this many kayaks being out. But anyways, there's a bunch of random kayakers, but I'm also fishing out here with Everett, the Santa Cruz surf caster. He's been killing it on halibut lately. And I'm also here with someone new that you may not have seen. His channel is called The Fishing Chronicles, I think. Or Fisherman's Chronicles. I think it's The Fisherman's Chronicles. Anyways, he's also been killing it. So I'll leave both of them linked in the description. But hopefully we can get some halibut today. We'll kind of see how it goes. Like I said, we're going to start with a couple rods fishing for halibut. And then eventually maybe we'll switch over to lingcod if the halibut bite doesn't work out. But for now, we got frozen squid down on the bottom, drifting. See if there's any fish out there. Oh, that's a bite. That's a bait. That's a bite. 你们帮我看一下那个，把我把船停那个沙滩这边，不过应该不会有人动吧 ？Oh yeah, fish on. Oh no no no. Oh, it came off. Oh my God. I don't know if that was, it could have been a shark or something. It went right through my leader. Normally that, yeah, and it's chafed up a little bit. I think that was a shark. Normally with a halibut, that wouldn't happen like that. All right, well, we'll retie and get back down. I just had a hit right here. Get any fish? I just had a bite right now, but I missed it. Oh. I think we might just troll around here too. Yeah, let's take this fish. Yeah. You might have? Sure. We got like 150. 5 pieces should be good, Adam. Whatever you guys are willing to give.
I mean, we're here, so we could always just radio it.
Yeah, yeah. Can you hear me on the radio?
No, not over there.
Sure. Sure.
I'm just gonna put them in the
okay, yeah. We're good.
Do you leave that in the water?
No, I don't.
Okay.
The squid might come out. Oh.
Did it come out?
No, no, no. Okay, hold on. Stop that.
You good?
That's good, yeah. Yeah, I think the hole's a little bit too big for the squid, so I usually just leave here. But it's nice to have it in there because I can dunk it and get like fresh water every once in a while.
No wonder you catch stuff like this. Holy moly!
All right, fresh live squid, courtesy of Nick and Phil. Well, doesn't get any nicer than that. Fresh live squid. There we go. There's something. All right. Be a halibut. I got him. Oh yeah, I think that's a halibut. I think that's a halibut. Nick! That was literally down there for like 3 minutes with the fresh live squid. Oh no, no, no. Oh, it just came off. Oh, dang it. Man, pretty sure that was a halibut too. Dang it. Why didn't it get hooked? Gotta give it a bigger hook set, I guess. Damn. Dang it. Can't be losing fish like this. Ah, man. I don't think that was a huge one, but it was definitely a keeper. My guesstimate would be somewhere in the 24 to 28 range. Just had that head shake, the one head shake, and boom, came off. Oh, didn't bit again. Another bite. Literally instant bite. Oh, that one's bigger. That one's bigger. That one's bigger. Yeah, this one's bigger. Bring up this line. Yeah, this one's bigger. Oh, this one's big. This one's big. Yeah, this one's big. I'm gonna bring up my other line. I don't want it to get tangled. This one's big. Do not come off. Here it comes. Oh, it's coming up relatively easy now. For some reason, when I first hooked it, it was like, felt like a lot of weight, but I still think it's pretty good size. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good size. 30 inches or so.
Oh, nice one. That guy's thick.
Nice. I think it's cousin me because we came over.
Yeah, it really is. No, well,
That helped.
because the squid makes a big difference.
Oh, you were on squid?
What's that?
You caught that on squid?
Both my hits.
Do you want more?
So I have a couple for now. Maybe.
We're gonna be around
Got 3 more.
What do you think? 30? 28?
28.
29.
29?
28's my guess.
Yeah.
All right, let me put him on the stringer.
I think it's quite.
I lost the one that I was yelling at you for, and then literally instant,
Wow.
like within 10 seconds of dropping to the bottom.
Squid's gonna work today.
Yeah, 30.
30?
30 on the dot.
Nice.
All right, let that bleed out there. Track some sharks. Put the tennis ball back on the gaff. All right, let's get another one. I don't have my fish finder today because yesterday I went kayak fishing, or I went crabbing, and it was really tight. I didn't even make a video out of it. I'll show you really quickly, but I caught one male keeper for like a 2-hour soak. I mean, I also didn't get to soak them as long as I would have hoped because it just got really windy, and so when it got really windy, all the water was splashing all over the place. It was a really wet ride on the way in, and I think some salt water got into this fish finder somehow. Yeah, and it's not turning on now, unfortunately, so can't mark any spots and go back to that. Otherwise I'd mark that and go right back to it, but I kind of have a general idea of the area, so we'll try our best to at least get back in the same zone here. Crazy action this morning. I think the first one was a shark. It was just fighting differently, and then the way the line was chafed up and cut clean at the break, I think that one was a shark. But the second one, I'm pretty sure that one was a halibut. I don't know how big it was, maybe a little bit smaller than this one. So that's already 3 really good solid bites this morning. We've only been fishing for like half an hour, so I'm confident we'll get some more action here pretty soon. Oh man, we're having some technical difficulties here. Just hooked a monster fish. My first battery, or my first GoPro ran out of battery, and then I was trying to switch batteries, and then right when that happened, this rod just got tanked. It's not really fighting like a halibut, honestly. I think it might be a lingcod. It's coming up like 10 feet. Yeah, it's a ling. Nice size. Oh! Unfortunately, we're using 2 rods here, so we can't keep this guy. Otherwise, this would be a nice keeper ling. There he is. Nice little ling there. Probably about 24 inches or so, but like I said, we're using 2 rods here, so gotta let this one go. Goodbye. Blue rockfish.
Oh yeah. We just missed a bite here, Adam.
Yeah, I just got a rockfish. Oh yeah. Oh, that's big. Oh yeah. I think that's a halibut. I think that's a halibut. I think so. I think that's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels like a halibut. We're gonna play him gentle here. Oh, making me nervous. I don't know if this is a halibut or not. What do you guys think? Halibut? Lingcod? I think one of those two. Getting close. Be a halibut. Oh yeah, it's a halibut. Get a keeper? Yeah, I think that's a keeper. Yeah, that's a keeper. Not huge, not as big as the first one, but pretty sure it's a keeper. So you know what? We're just gonna lift him in, just in case it's not a keeper. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's a keeper. Pretty sure he's like 23, 24 inches. Get him on the stringer here. Alright, now we can do the official measurement. So I don't like to put them on the stringer like this if it's not a keeper, because like look at that bar going through the gills and everything. It's definitely not healthy for the fish. So that's why I wanted to make sure he's a keeper first before I rough him up. Oh, I almost just stuck my finger in his mouth. 20. Oh, that's pretty good. 25. Like I said, not huge, but that's a really solid fish right there. Get him unhooked. Again, caught on that fresh squid from Captain Phil, Nick. Thank you, Phil, and thank you, Nick, I guess, for catching it. This one fought weird, maybe because it was a little bit smaller than the other one. I was kind of confused. I wasn't sure if it was a halibut or not, but definitely is now. Going home. So that's 2. So legal limit for halibut in the area that I'm fishing right here is 3 per person per day. So that's my second one. Hoping, oh, I thought I got another bite here. Hoping to get number 3 here pretty soon. So here's the rig we're using. I know I've said it before 1,000 times, but people are always asking me. So same thing as usual, slider rig with my leader to the live squid at the bottom. That's it. Just drop it down, kind of keep it hovering close to the bottom. I don't really like to drag it on the bottom. Some people do. I I think both work, but personally I like to hover it right above the bottom, and then drift it over those sandy patches where those halibut like to hide out. And that's exactly what I did for the first fish. It's exactly what I did for the second fish. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for the third fish. All right, we're hooked up. I think this is another halibut. Feels like a halibut. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, pretty sure this is a halibut. I've already caught one fish on this leader, so it's a little bit compromised, but so that's why I'm gonna play it a little bit lighter than normal. Oh man, look at those big head shakes. I'm gonna take my time with this one. I think it's a good fish. Just bring it up 1 foot at a time. Nice and easy. No need to rush it. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. It feels like a heavy fish. I don't like those head shakes. I feel like when they're head shaking like that, it's rubbing the leader against those teeth, which is no bueno. 95% sure that this is a halibut. Oh yeah, yeah, 100%. That's got to be a halibut. Oh man! All right, he's coming up little by little. We just got to inch him up 1 foot at a time. Wants to go, we let him go. This is a big fish, guys. Man. Trying to stay somewhat quiet so that all these boats don't converge on me. Got one coming in right here on my left. I'm working it. Just gonna make sure, bring them up nice and easy. Talking about this in my last halibut video, but these fish are ambush predators, which means they spend a lot of their time just kind of sitting in one place, which is why when you fight them, a lot of times it's just dead weight. But if they ever want to go on a run, they can definitely go on those short but strong bursts. Trying to keep the tension. Big one. This is a big fish. Another one coming in now. No hiding this one. That bend. Just want to see him. Well, I take that back. I also want to catch him, but to at least see him here. No. Is it good? No, I'm pretty sure it's a good halibut.
Oh, nice. We hooked up 3 sharks already.
Yeah, I had one.
Yeah. It's like watching the video, but in person.
Even better, right?
It's even better, yeah, because you don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, this is a good one for sure.
You got on the squid?
Yeah.
Dude, I got some fresh squid if you want. I got way more than I need.
I got plenty here.
You got fresh squid?
Yeah.
From who?
My buddy Phil.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it live bait?
Yeah.
Lucky. I think my friend got 7 on my bait today.
Yeah, you guys weren't catching.
Oh, that's big.
Jesus, dude.
Okay.
That's a big one. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the one we're looking for. It's all tangled up in my other line, but that's okay.
Good one.
Yeah. Probably like 38, say?
38 inches?
36 to 38 maybe.
Holy shit, dude. Damn.
Right on the edge of the mouth there. Look at that. Yeah. It's close to 20 pounds. At least 17 or 18. Holy moly. That one's got to be 36 inches. Not quite a 40, I don't think. But let's see. Go on, close your mouth. Yeah, 36. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, maybe 37. Nah, about 36. Yeah, right at about 36. 36 inches. That's probably, I'd say he's around 17 or 18 pounds, something like that. That's the limit right there. Not a bad one to finish it off either. So I started off with a 30, then got, I think the second one was like 25 inches. That's a nice little eater fish, and then finish with this this one for the trophy room right there. That's 36 incher. Nice and thick too. In the ocean, I feel like they're always thicker than when you catch them in the bay. I was nervous the whole time there. Like I said, I didn't retie that leader, which I hate doing. I always like to retie, but the bite was so hot that I wanted to get my line back in the water as quickly as possible. So I took a little risk there. Good thing it didn't cost me. What's funny is one fish and now all the boats are around me. I'm literally surrounded. Can't do a 360 shot, but you just have to, believe me, there's boats on every angle here. Behind me, to the left of me, in front of me, to the right of me. Probably like 50 boats, and they were all that way before. But I mean, I was fighting that fish for sure the word traveled around. Now everyone's kind of moving in. Luckily, that's my third one, so that's my limit, so I don't need it anymore. All right, guys, I'm just wrapping things up. Got my halibut limit here. I don't think I'm gonna go for lingcod. I just kind of hang out with these guys for a little bit. But anyways, this, is it Elon?
Elon.
Is that, okay, this is Elon. This is the guy I was telling you about in the morning. Is it Fisherman's Chronicles?
Fisherman's Chronicles.
This guy is catching so many fish, I don't even know, like different kinds of fish, all kinds of fish, Bay Area and everywhere else. So anyways, I'll leave him linked in the description. Check him out. And Santa Cruz Surfcaster. You've already seen him, but he's back here as well. Did you go on the tuna trip with these guys?
Yeah.
How many, did you get any?
I got 4.
4, jeez. See what I'm saying? This guy's catching fish all over, so check him out. Did you make a video from it?
Yeah, 2.
Did you post it already?
Not yet.
Okay.
Take a while.
Okay, so it might not be out yet, but just sub to him anyway so that you'll be ready when it comes out. All right, guys, we're finishing up out here with the boys. We got it done today. We had a fun day out here, but anyways, we're headed in. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check these guys out. We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.